So up next, we have Angen Kisworo. Angen will be talking about misunderstanding and anxiety, scrutinising culture in doctoral supervision feedback practices. Let's go, Angen. Here we go. Yeah.
Imagine you are this person, an international PhD student who just embarked on a new education journey in a different country. During her supervision, she always feels down because she receives bad comments from her supervisors. She thinks that comments is very harsh and hard to digest. However, she cannot even tell her feelings to her supervisors. Turns out, in her whole life, she always believes that teachers are unquestionable and undebatable figures. Imagine that. She also believes that she cannot even question her supervisors, so that there is no kind of engagement there. Thus, if you put yourself in her shoes, will you be able to survive your PhD journey? My research explores to what extent cultural issues in doctoral supervision and feedback practices influence the students. An issue that is often neglected in the research, although this is one of the most contributing factors that support or inhibit students in decoding and understanding the core messages of feedback. To understand this issue, I invited 10 participants with various cultural backgrounds from the east to the west part of Indonesia. In this interview, I asked them their previous cultural backgrounds and compared it with their current doctoral supervision activities. And here is the fact. One of my participants said that he cannot even accept their supervisor's comments because he believes that the comments do not fit with his research context. But because he believes that the supervisor is an expert, he just let it go. Poof, gone. And he follows the supervisor's comments. In the other examples, one of my participants said that she always feels down and unhappy when she receives comments from her supervisors. She believes that the comments are too bad for her, and she believes that she is incapable of doing her PhD. This is because she lives in cultures where women should not be excelled in academic and work life. She also believes that these cultures perceive that women should stay at home and do nothing and follow the strict rules of society. As a result, she just feels anxious all the time when she receives comments from her supervisors. My research shows you that cultures is an important element in doctoral supervision. Sometimes cultures might improve the quality of supervisions, but some might not. So my cultures and my research shows you that students might use it to filter, process, and contemplate all information. Thank you.